In fact, this is Congress Wayanad MP Rahul Gandhi, who now says that the Prime Minister is so scared. He says the Prime Minister has started getting very, very nervous about the results and he might soon start weeping on stage. That is what Rahul Gandhi says. This is coming even as the Prime Minister earlier has countered his remarks.
आप प्रधानमंत्री के भाषण देखते हो, घबराए हुए हैं.
ನೀವೇನು ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಗಾಬರಿಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರ.
शायद कुछ ही दिनों में स्टेज पे आंसू निकल आए.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರೇನು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಹುಶಃ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರುಗಳು ಬರ್ತವೆ.
आप प्रधानमंत्री के भाषण देखते हो, घबराए हुए हैं.
ನೀವೇನು ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ಗಾಬರಿಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರ.
शायद कुछ ही दिनों में स्टेज पे आंसू निकल आए.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರೇನು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
And the Prime Minister not very long ago, remember, had said that this is the Namdar attitude. He had clearly hit at the entitlement culture of a lot of people, including Rahul Gandhi. Niyamika is live with us and she's been tracking that story and the reactions also. Niyamika, tell me something. What is the context to which Rahul Gandhi made this remark? Now, over the last many days, we've seen a lot of chatter about the Congress manifesto, the entire wealth redistribution issue, then what Sam Pitroda said, then the caste reservations, the Muslim reservation, lot more things. Has Rahul Gandhi cared to respond to any of that, or this is just an insult directed at the Prime Minister?
Well, clearly, the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has taken a dig over Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We have seen in the last few days that how the BJP is making allegations against the Congress party regarding its manifesto, or the BJP is saying that the Congress party is basically committed to give preference to the minorities and specifically to the Muslim community. If they will come into power, the reservation of the SC/ST community will be ended and they will give this reservation to the Muslim community in particular. But we have also seen that how the Congress party is making counter attacks, and that is what Rahul Gandhi has also done today, as he has also given a statement as in which he has mentioned that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is basically rattled. He is scared for the upcoming the ongoing Lok Sabha elections, and that's the reason why it can clearly be seen on his face, as he has also mentioned that in some days from now we can be able to see tears in his eyes when he will be on stage. So that is basically a dig which Rahul Gandhi has taken over Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We have seen that how Prime Minister is continuously attacking the Congress party for its manifesto, for the statements which are being given by various leaders. Prime Minister has also taken a dig over the statement given by Sam Pitroda regarding the inheritance law. Yesterday only he has given a statement that the inheritance law was being scrapped by the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, so that he will be able to he could be able to inherit the property of Indira Gandhi. So that was the attacks which were coming in on the part of the BJP, and that's the reason why now today Rahul Gandhi has hit back at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he has said that Prime Minister is basically trying to divert the attention from the real issue. Some days he says that people need to beat the thalis or thalis, and that's what the Prime Minister is basically aiming to do in these days as well.